Understanding the phrase, trade shoes, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, trade shoes. It's an idiom that we often use in conversations. So, let's explore what it means and how to use it in daily communication. Stay tuned to become more fluent in English idioms. Trade shoes is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to put oneself in someone else's position or to try to understand a situation from another person's perspective. It's similar to the more common phrase, walk a mile in someone else's shoes. This idiom encourages empathy and understanding. The origin of trade shoes is linked to the idiom, to walk in someone else's shoes. This phrase is a metaphor for empathy and understanding. It implies that by wearing someone else's shoes, figuratively, one can better understand their experiences, challenges, and viewpoint. Let's look at some examples of how trade shoes can be used in everyday conversations. 1. Before you judge his decision, try to trade shoes with him. Maybe he had strong reasons for choosing that path. 2. As a manager, it's important to trade shoes with your employees to understand their challenges and needs. These examples show how the phrase can be used to promote empathy and understanding in various situations. Trade shoes is best used in contexts where understanding and empathy are important. It's great in personal conversations, conflict resolution, or when trying to see things from a different perspective. It's a reminder that everyone has unique experiences that shape their decisions and viewpoints. Other idioms with similar meanings include, walk a mile in someone else's shoes, see the world through someone else's eyes. These variations all emphasize the importance of empathy and understanding in human interactions. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of trade shoes. Remember, using idioms like this can make your English sound more natural and fluent. Keep practicing, and don't forget to try and see things from others' perspectives. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.